Hi, my name is Wolfgang, and in this video I want to show you how to easily compute days, months and years between two dates. We need a starting date and an end date. We enter the 16th of January 1954 as a start date and the 1st of April 2023 as an end date. We will use the DATEDIF function to calculate the days, months and years between the starting date and the end date. In a cell of your choice, enter equals to DATEDIF, parenthesis open, click on start date, comma, click on end date, comma, quotation open, lowercase d like this, quotation closed, parenthesis closed. Next we hit enter and get the result. It's 25,277 days. Next, we want to compute the number of months. So we enter equals to DATEDIF, parenthesis open, click on start date, comma, click on end date, comma, quotation open, lowercase m, quotation closed, parenthesis closed. We hit enter and we will see our result, which is 830 months. In the same way, we can compute the number of years between the start date and the end date. And after hitting enter, we will see the result of 69 years. This concludes our video about the DATEDIF function. I will leave a link to the LibreOffice help files in the description. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.